Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, our today's topic is role of forests in the ecology and economy of India. Dear students, you know that forests are often known as the green gold of the economy. It provides us various things which we not only use in our day-to-day life, but which plays a vital role in the economy of the state, the economy of the country. Forests are valuable resources. They serve as multiple resources. In India, forests is a significant rural industry. It is a big industry which provides various, as I told you, various materials like furniture, the medicine, the fodder, grazing for animals, and various other renewable and non-renewable things. In India, forest is a significant rural industry. It is one of the 10 most forest-rich countries of the world. So far as we look the categories of forests in the world, India has 10th. India is one of the top 10 countries of the world which has the most forest area. The forests are important because of various reasons. Forests provide many things to meet our food requirements, like wild fruits, wild nuts, blackberries, the wild berries, and various these wild vegetables which are present in the forests, which we utilize from time to time. Forests are a source of timber for house building, furniture making, ship buildings, and these we use this timber in the bridges in rural areas. Similarly, we build various huts, the different styles of huts, through this timber. Forests supply about 40% of our fuel requirement. The fuel we see in the rural areas, forests, the rural people directly depend on the forests. They get fuel like firewood and other things for their day-to-day life. These forests safeguard water and protect soil from erosion. Yesterday, we learned this land degradation. So far as natural mean is concerned, the forests are considered the best protector of this land erosion. They control the erosion. The roots of the trees play an important role to safeguard this land degradation. Forests provide habitat to flora and fauna, as I told you yesterday as well. Flora means all plants and fauna means all animals. We have various these plants and animals for their habitat. Forests or for their shelter. Forests play a vital role. It supports variety of industries as it provides them raw materials. Similarly, forests act as sink to greenhouse gases. These are the various uses of these forests. It seems that forests are the backbone of not only the backbone of economy, but the well sustainer of the this universe or the world or the people to sustain their life. Dear students, this was our today's topic. Let's go ahead inshallah tomorrow. Thank you very much.